Have you ever encountered these common zirconia milling challenges? Bridge fracture during milling, bar breakage during machining, chipping or material loss during milling compromising the restoration quality. These failures are rarely accidental. Let's explore the key milling operations behind precision zirconia machining with the GSM-5D dry milling machine. Tool setting. Tool setting automatically calibrates the burrs, establishing a reliable baseline for precision machining. Roughing. Roughing is performed with a 2.0mm burr T1 burr. Its high rigidity enables efficient material removal while leaving the proper allowance for subsequent finishing. Typical machining time: 5-6 min single crown, 15-18 min 3-unit bridge, and 70-85 min half arch. Implant hole machining. The T1 burr precisely machines the implant screw channel, providing a reliable foundation for subsequent machining. Typical machining time: 2-3 min per hole. Semi-finishing. The T1 burr continues refining the restoration contour, preparing it for detailed machining. Typical machining time: 5-6 min single crown, 15-18 min 3-unit bridge, and 70-85 min half arch. 90 degrees local machining. Critical structural regions are precisely machined to improve edge definition and restoration fit. Typical machining time: around 10 minutes, half arch, depending on the machining area. Anatomical carving. Using the T3 burr, 0.6mm, fine grooves, cusps, and anatomical details are accurately reproduced. Typical machining time: 2-3 min single crown, 6-9 min 3-unit bridge, and 28-42 min half arch. Final restoration. Every key milling operation contributes to the final restoration, delivering precise margins, natural anatomy, and consistent surface quality. Precision starts with every key milling operation. GSM-5D delivers stable, precise, and efficient zirconia milling.